go and get the tube. The tube is very strong. It's not for the simple issues. If you have acne, you have dark spots, hyperpigmentation, or you have sensitive skin, been hearing about azelaic acid. You don't even understand it. You don't know how it works. You don't know how to apply it. This particular video is for you. I'll be breaking down the difference between the serum azelaic acid and the tube azelaic acid, which is the pharmaceutical azelaic acid, how to use it, and which one is best for you. And before we get into it, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on that subscribe button, join this our amazing community. You're going to love it. Trust me, you're going to love it. Yeah. So let's get into the video. What is azelaic acid? Azelaic acid, in a simple term, is just an active skincare ingredient that is being used in treating hyperpigmentation, skin dullness, melasma, acne, dark spots, and so on. And it's not an aggressive skincare ingredient. That is one thing I love about azelaic acid. It's not aggressive. It's not harsh on the skin. Azelaic acid is in two forms. We have the serum and we have the tube, which is a medicated azelaic acid. Let's start with the serum azelaic acid. Serum azelaic acids are between 5 to 10%, and they are lightweight. They come in serum or in a gel form. They are very lightweight. They can absorb into the skin smoothly, and they are easy to use. It can be used on mild acne. So if you have mild acne, you use the serum. Mild dark spots, it's just if you have mild skincare issues. And again, if you're someone that just wants to even out your skin tone, this is when you use the serum. It can even out your skin tone. It can be used every day. That's the best part about the serum. It can be used every single day, preferably at night, because you don't want to be using it in the morning. It can be used every single day without irritating your skin. It's mild. It doesn't irritate your skin. Even if you can have, little itching and all that, it's not the one that can purge your skin. Example is the retinol. If you use your retinoids, you know that, or your tretinoids, you know that they are very hard. Little things, first week of using it, you're already purging out and all that. So azelaic acid doesn't do these things to you. Example, the serum is very lightweight and easy to use, and it can be paired with other products. You can pair it with your niacinamide, you can pair it with other things that you can be using on your routine. Is not going to irritate your skin. But the pharmaceutical azelaic acid is between the range of 15 to 20%. They are very strong, it's a very strong azelaic acid, and it comes in a cream form or in a gel form. It's very strong. Like I said, it gives you a faster result. It can be used on recurring acne. Those wicked recurring acne there, those ones that go just take show for your face anyhow. This is when you use it. And if you have serious hyperpigmentation, you have melasma, you have sunburn that you want to clear, this is when you use this one. Like, it's very fast. One thing again about it is that you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. It's not like the serum that you can be using every single day. This particular one, you use it 2 to 3 times in a week, because it's very strong and it gives you faster results. Another thing about it is that you don't pair with other active ingredients. Like, you don't pair with other harsh skincare products. You don't even pair it with anything. Whenever you want to use your azelaic acid, both your cleanser or both your serum, you don't even use serum with it. Both your moisturizer should be a moisturizing or hydrating product. You don't pair with anything harsh, because it does it's an active skincare. Like I said, it's the higher percent of azelaic acid, and it cannot be used every single day. So this particular one is being used to treat serious skin concerns. So if you have serious hyperpigmentation and all that, and they recommend it for you, go and get it. Even if they do not recommend it for you, know that you are going through you have serious acne on your face. Every time your acne are reoccurring, this is when you get this higher percent of azelaic acid. So if you have sensitive skin, you have mild acne, you just want to even out your skin tone, go for the serum. Yeah, go for the serum so you can be using it every day. or you don't have, if you don't have any of those issues, you don't even have, you just want to use azelaic acid, go for the serum. Don't go and get the tube. The tube is very strong. It's not for the simple issues. You're not having acne, you don't have serious dark spots. All of a sudden, you are getting the tube azelaic acid just because you see that someone is using it or someone talked about it on TikTok and all that. Please, if you have sensitive skin, you have mild skincare issues, you don't even have issues, you just want to even out your skin tone, go for the serum. But if you have a stronger skin concern, you have acne, you have this, you go for the tube. So for the tube, how to use it is that I actually made a video about it where I talked about 3 ways you can use your active products, which is your azelaic acid, your adapalene gel, your tretinoids, and all that. So for it, you just use your cleanser. After cleansing your, remember it's just a hydrating cleanser that you're going to use. You don't have to use any other activeness in it. You use your hydrating cleanser. After washing, you dry your face or you clean your face. Then you apply your moisturizer, apply your azelaic acid, then layer it again with a moisturizer. This is the best way to use the azelaic acid tube. Okay, or if you want other ways, you can also watch the video about how to use your active ingredients. Another thing is that you have to use your sunscreen. This particular skincare product is not the one that you will use and not use your sunscreen. Sunscreen is necessary. Like you have to use it in the morning after using your azelaic acid because it's your wasting product. Like you're actually wasting product if you don't use your sunscreen every day when using your azelaic acid. And yeah, that's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and I will see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.